2:30 a.m. and I woke up because Jeremy isn't feeling well. Medyo may rash siya around the neck and I'm just so worried. Baka ano siya, bacterial. But hopefully not. I'll try to book him in today for a doctor's appointment. Hopefully there's a spot. If not, then we're gonna have to wait until Monday. And I'm trying to clean and sanitize everything. I mean, I do this like at least once a week. But right now, I want to clean the house, like the whole house. Kasi OC na naman ako. Maybe he got it from somewhere here. I don't know. Good morning. Day 11. Dito kami sa school. Strong start ni Jeremy. And finally, nakapunta ulit kami. Let's go na. Playtime for Jeremy. Wow. Purple. Anong color yan, anak? Purple. Okay, right on the board. Ay, walang tinta. There's no ink, anak. Let's put back. Okay, we're home again. Magla-lunch lang kami. Thank God merong spot yung family doctor namin today. And mapupunta ko siya sa doctor para makita nila kung ano yung rashes niya. I hope hindi siya bacterial or I hope ano lang siya, irritation. But we'll see. Pakakainin ko muna si Jeremy. Kakain na din ako. So, may lakas ako para mamaya. Okay. Quick update. Dito na kami ni Jeremy. Dito na kami sa parking lot. 2:30 pa yung appointment niya pero maaga kaming umalis. Kasi para makapag-nap pa si Jeremy. Ayan, natutulog na siya. And we'll see kung ano sasabihin ng doctor about yung rashes niya. So, I hope it's not that bad. Yeah.
Okay, so there's nothing under your dad's name, or you just...
Okay, so tapos na ang check-up ni Jeremy and sabi ng, sabi ng doctor niya, allergic reaction daw yun. So, we have to figure out kung ano yung mga nakain niya a week ago na bago sa kanya. But for now, he's gonna take Benadryl just to ease the itchiness and the redness. So hopefully that will help him. Especially sa gabi kasi kamot siya ng kamot na naapektuhan yung tulog niya. And at the same time yung tulog namin. So hopefully it will get better na. But may pasok pa ako mamaya. But priorities first. So magpapahinga na lang ako pagdating ni Gerald. Okay, uwi na kami. Bye-bye. Okay, so nakauwi na si Daddy and I have at least an hour and a half to rest. Vlogmas Day 12. It's break time. It's 2:30 in the morning. And we break muna. Oh, antok na ako. And yeah, just a little update for this Vlogmas. We're here at the library. Ilang tao. Hindi pa ako natutulog. Wanna make sure makapaglaro muna si Jeremy. And sabay na lang kami magnanap later. Diba, Jeremy? Sleep later, one. Para sleep din si mommy. Jeremy, look, oh. What's this? Wow. Want mommy to help you? Okay. Okay, mommy will help you. Color? Blue. What about this one? What color is this? Red. What about the other one? What color is this? Color? Victor. Picture. Hello. I just woke up from 2-hour nap. Medyo okay na rin kasi after night shift, si Jeremy tulog pa kaya hindi ako makapagsalita ng maayos. But ganito yung buhay namin. Pag may work kaming dalawa ni Gerald and nag-night shift ako, medyo mabigat sa katawan kasi yung puyat and walang tulog. So, yeah. I'm just sharing it to you. Nataon talaga na vlogmas. And I hope this holidays makapagpahinga kami ng maayos. Yeah, so tapusin ko na yung vlog dito. Wala masyadong ganap today. So, thank you for watching. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.